to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
What's going on, guys? BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans. Time for another Friday night at Immokalee Raceway. We'll see what tonight brings. I don't have anything planned, so stick around. Hopefully something wild happens. You never know. All right. If there's a show for the most wicked tow truck out here, Charlie, you definitely win, bro.
Hey, the first time I wanted something.
I don't believe you. It's a 1,000 horsepower daily driving tow truck here. Then he's hauling the hot rod back here, huh?
Yep.
You're gonna make your first pass tonight with her, huh?
Hopefully.
That's cool. What is
Well, at least just break the beam, see how it leaves and stuff like that. It'll be a little bit before I get it all the way down the track, but a couple test hits and just get it.
What's in this guy? Is it 6 liter?
Just 16.
6. Oh, nice. Very cool. Did you gap the rings at all?
Yep.
Okay.
All I did was put cam bearings, gap the rings, and send it.
Hey, you can't beat that. Stock cam and everything?
Well, no, it's got a Brian tool cam in it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's got the word Brian in it. I don't know about that. Guys, this is Charlie's first time on the track in this new engine. Well, looks like it's a good start for Charlie out here tonight. First rip on the under the belt, in the books. I don't even know what I wanted to say. I guess so, huh? Getting fast out here tonight. Alright dudes, this is Charlie's second pass in his truck. It's gonna be a ripper when he gets her all dialed. This is baby stuff for it, I know it. Yeah, he said, when we first got here, Charlie told us, yeah, I'm just gonna make a couple 60-foot hits. He comes out here back to back, makes full passes. Right on, Charlie. I think that was a good one, huh?
That was a James B special right there,
James
baby.
James B, John Force, you know, tomato, potato.
That's right.
right, dudes, well, not too much action going on tonight, but you know, sometimes that's how it is. We got a lot of testing going on tonight, a lot of people having fun, some people ripping, you know. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button for me. While you're here, you might as well. And we will catch you on the next video. Oh, P.S. check out the new merch, dudes. Drop a comment if you want a shirt.